One, find the motivation. What is it you have to share? Is it that you're a screenwriter and you need to pitch it to the producers? Or do you have a great idea and it's a new app and you want to talk about that and pitch it to investors? Or is there something that's really important in your life, an experience you've had that you want to share so that you can help others? Whatever that is, find the motivation so that you'll really have follow through with what it is you want to share as a public speaker. Secondly, start working on your voice. Work on volume, on dynamics, on pace, on your physical posture. Work on all of those things so that they become second nature. So when you get up on stage, you can shine. And finally, when you do get up on stage, speak with volume, make eye contact, stand up tall, and you will be on your way to being a better and better public speaker every time you get up to present.